the highest paying remote job for 2025. This might actually surprise you, so you're going to want to tune up and tune in. The highest paying remote job for 2025 doesn't require any special skills, any special knowledge, and no fancy degrees. As a matter of fact, it is in the digital marketing space within the e-learning industry. Because digital marketing in the e-learning industry has been averaging $1.2 billion per day in revenues this year in 2024 alone. It's already been predicted by Forbes that by the year 2027, that's only 3 short years from now, digital marketing in the e-learning industry is projected to be doing in excess of $3 billion a day. And my friend, the beautiful thing is you can do this. Anybody can do this, and you can experience all the freedoms in the world. Time freedom, because the very same system that I use, this exact opportunity, we're going to show you how to get all of your income producing activities successfully completed in 2025 in just 2 hours a day on average. So that's going to give you your time freedom. Location freedom. Yes, you can have location freedom too with digital marketing. You can actually do this from anywhere in the world. This is worldwide. All you need is a smartphone and a laptop computer. Just about everybody has one of those these days. And you can also experience financial freedom to go along with your time freedom and your location freedom, because it just so happens that our most popular digital product is $900. So if you do some simple math for illustrative purposes only, that would equate to 10 new customers in any given month. 10 times 900 is going to give you a potential monthly income potential of a little over 10K a month, right around $10,800 potential. So I'd absolutely love to share this with you, because this is predicted and projected to be the highest paying remote job going forward in 2025. All you need to do right now, head on up to the link up in my bio, and all you need to do is just enter your email address. Come on inside, check it out, watch the video, then check your email and look for a special email from me to you that reads, "Here is your blueprint." It'll contain all the wonderful details. It'll even have my contact details at the very bottom. So if you're serious, folks, about changing your life and changing your financial future in 2025, 2025 is going to be a great year, my friend. Just reach out to me. My contact details will be at the bottom of that email. Text or call me. That way I'll know you're serious. Or you can just simply respond and put "show me" over in the comments. Either way, your preference, and I will meet you very soon on the inside.